Okay, so my bike has an issue where sometimes it doesn't turn on. So let me record it. Okay, I think I finally got it to do that. So ready? Ah, damn it. Now it's working. But it was doing it earlier, and what I did is it wasn't working. I held the front brake and I kind of went in and out like that, and then it just worked. See there, now it's working again. But anyway, it did it earlier. But thank you, Josh. Josh helped me out for diagnosing. Just gotta move everything.